Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we're going to be having a look at Tezos or XTZ with the USDT. First of all, I can see a prediction right here. It is black. You cannot see it, but look right now. I made this prediction back on 31st of July, and it was not right. I mean, kind of. We did push to the upside, but we never kind of had the full retrace to the downside. But screw that. We're deleting this. And where the heck are we going right now? We did surpass this line. We made a higher high, valid higher high. Right now, what? No, it's not a actual valid higher high. Okay, we never had a full close above that line on the daily time frame. So is this a valid higher high for me? Absolutely not. I will be waiting for this to have a full like 3 candles that are closed above or like that are have their bodies above this line for me to be the valid higher high. Just a valid higher high. I mean, on the chart for this indicator can like basically say that it is a higher high, but for me it will not be a higher high. And like we will see what will happen. I mean, that's what works for me. I'm not trying to kind of make new things into the market. That's what thing works. I mean, from my experience and from some people that I kind of took the knowledge of, that's what I'm looking for at the moment. This can also be a false breakout before it starts to like really push to the downside. But guys, we will see what will be happening. This looks like on a lower time frame. Right now, we're kind of waiting to see where we break through. This is the first thing, the first line. This is the lower low on the lower time frame for sure. And then we had the higher high right there, and if we manage to go above that higher high, like to close with the full 3 candles on a 4-hour and a 1-hour time frame, we're gonna be having the higher high or this like lower low. Then we can be looking for buys right around 310 or something like that. But yeah, that's about it for today, guys. Let me know what are your thoughts about Tezos. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day, and consider liking and subscribing. It is always up to you. Bye.